Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll see how to install Astra Traffic Collector integration for Kubernetes-based environments. Click on Connect and then ensure that the workspace under which the integration is being created is same as the workspace for which the intended target has been created. Click on Continue. Select Kubernetes Infra as the environment. Click on Continue. Give any optional note. Yes. Here we are going to register the get Astra's Helm repository, and then we are going to fill out the secrets in our values.yaml file. Post that, we are going to run the Helm installation command so that the stateful set within which the Astra Traffic Collector service is going to pop up will be installed automatically. So these secrets are needed in the later step. First, let me click on the Help Center. Yep, let's get started. First thing first, we'll have to create the namespace called as Astra Collector. Copy it, come to your Kubernetes machine. Yes. Oops. Sorry. Yeah. Astra Collector namespace has been created. Then the next step is we'll have to add the Helm repository. And please note that this command is going to add the Helm repository for the Astra Traffic Collector. Because of some other setting, this command is just needing a extra flag only in my machine. I don't expect it as a common case. Yes, so this is the flag that I am currently needing, but I do not expect this flag to be needed in any of the customer environment. So let's copy the same command once again here. Copied. Oops. So we added it, and then yes, I need this flag to work in my system. Get Astra has been added. The next step is to update the repo. So this will fetch the latest chart from the repository. Let me give this flag once again. Yeah, successfully got an update from the get Astra. The next step, create values.yaml. So let's create this secret. What 1 minute? Yeah, create values.yaml, and we'll have to replace certain information. That's fine. So let's maybe create a working directory. Create a working directory called as cd traffic integration. Let's create it first. cd traffic integration. Yeah, here let's create values.yaml and put the following content. So if you come back to the instruction, it says that collector ID, client ID, and the client secret needs to be replaced with respect to the secret shown during the integration creation. Let's close it for a moment. Let's take the collector ID. Let's copy collector ID. Let's copy client ID. Let's copy client secret. Yeah, we have the token URL. This is let it be as it is, and finally the remote address identifier header. This gives optional feature to allow the flexibility for the customer to give the request header name with which the client IP exists. So this is needed for the identification purpose. Let's save this. We have saved it. Let's open the guide once again. install the Helm chart by running this. So this is the last step. Let's run this. Control V. Oh, let me give the flag of mine. Strictly speaking, this flag is not needed because of some other mishap in the system in which I'm giving the demo. So I'm forced to use this flag. Oops. Okay, sorry. Yes, that's it. So it says as Astra traffic collector dot Astra collector. So this will be the address of the IP address of the DNS address of the Astra traffic collector service on port 4317. So this address can be given in Nginx or in any other instrumentation, and the Astra traffic collector will be receiving the traces. Thank you.